Microsoft Authenticator login or sign in. If you wish to log in or sign in to your Microsoft Authenticator app, it is fairly simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the Microsoft Authenticator app, and here you can see sign in with Microsoft or scan a QR code to sign in or restore from backup. Whatever is convenient for you, if you restored it before, you can use that, or you can select sign in with Microsoft instead. And over here you can simply add your Microsoft account. So just wait until you log into your account and make sure to enter the email address of your account over here. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and then make sure to type in your email and tap the next option. And on the next page, you might ask you to use a Microsoft Authenticator, but you can select use your password instead. And now you can simply go ahead and enter your password that you want to use for this account. And once you've done that, you'll be able to tap the sign in button and sign into your Microsoft Authenticator account. This way you can log in or sign into Microsoft Authenticator. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.